Okay, so I want to talk to you about social signals and what they are and why are they important to include in any link building strategy. First of all, a social signal is not a Facebook post or a Twitter tweet, okay? A social signal is a like in that same post or a share or a reaction. So a social signal is an engagement on a social post. So on Twitter, for example, a social signal is a retweet. On LinkedIn is a share. On Pinterest is a pin. As you can see the example I have here, so this is a Facebook post which has a link back to a YouTube video. The social signals are the likes and the shares on those same posts. Now, why is this important? Social signals help increase the rankings of our site. They give social relevancy to our site. Okay? And the number of shares, followers, likes, etc. are an indicator of quality. Another point in favor of social signals is the fact that they can include a link back to your site on that same post. And the idea behind social signals is that Google sees that your site is socially relevant because it's being shared around social media. And how can you tell if you have social signals? There are several social signals checkers online. Just search for social signal checker or free social signal checker, and you'll find something like this where you place in your URL and it tells you how many social signals you have per platform. And this is a great way to know if you already have social signals or not. But how can you in fact get social signals? I mean, the obvious way is you share your site on social media, and if people enjoy it, they'll engage with them and like and comment and share, etc. Just like when you're getting backlinks, if you post an article on your site that's relevant enough and people like it enough, people will start linking out to that same article. It's the same thing with social signals. If you make a post on social media that people find interesting enough, people will start to like and share and comment on that same post. And that's the hard way. But just like you can buy backlinks for your site because your content isn't interesting enough, for example, so people aren't linking to it organically, you can also buy social signals. And how? Where to find social signals? Ideally, we'd get social signals organically by posting on social networks, just like I told you, but there are ways to get social signals more easily. The main one is, of course, you can pay someone to do it for you. But it's important that social signals are not made by robots, but by real people. So it's important to investigate the different vendors and choose one that uses real people and real reactions. And just like I told you before, we'll have a module just on outsourcing and how to find qualified people that, for example, do not use robots and use actual real people. That's the main idea behind social signals. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.